So hi guys, my name is UGWU KELVIN CHIMUANYA, as you all know, the CEO of BSTER-TECHNOLOGY. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a courier tracking website with WordPress. Wow. So, and in this particular tutorial, you're going to create this type of website in less than 20 minutes without coding, without building any pages in your WordPress. I'm just going to give you a file in which you are going to install in your WordPress, and boom, automatically the website is there. So I'm going to be giving you a script in which I created from scratch in WordPress. So now by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this file. You understand? By the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get access to this file. So you just have to stick to the end of the video. Don't skip anything, so that you learn all the process I took in creating this particular website. So first of all, let me take you through the pages of the website so that you will see how this website looks like. So now guys, this is the website. You understand? This is the home page of the website. As you can see, it has home page, about us page, services, contact us, track packages, and blog. Now let's check the home page. As you can see, the home page is really sleeky, awesome, and robust. As you can see, this is a robust script. I'm going to be giving you access to this file. This is a robust script, so you just have to stick. So this is the home page. So let's check the about us page. So this is about us page. This is about us page. Wow. And as you can see, and one good thing is that you can edit all this content. You can edit all this content to your taste, so you don't have to be creating all this from scratch. I'm just going to give you one file that you just boom install and everything starts working. So this is about us page. That is a page that explains about the company. So this is the services page. As you can see, the services they render. This is the services page. You don't have to revenge your way. You don't have to start wasting time in creating all this. I'm going to give you access to the file by the end of this video. So this is the services page. So let's check the contact us page. So now this is the contact us page. A visitor, a client can come here and type message, and you as the admin will receive. Now the next page I want to show you is the blog page. This blog page is where you can create blog posts and news about the company or about shipment. You understand? So as you can see, this is a very good robust script. So now the last but not the least page that I'm going to show you is the tracking page. So now this is the tracking page. You understand? So this is the tracking page of this our website. You understand? So now let me show you something. So this is our tracking page. Now for you to create tracking, you have to go back to your WordPress admin dashboard. You click on shipments, then you click on add new shipment. So this is the shipment you already created. So let me just track. So for example, I created this shipment for my customer. I'll copy this shipment, then come to my tracking page. So this is my tracking page. I'll just come here and paste. Boom. So let's track a result. Boom. As you can see the results of this tracking. As you can see, the shipper is 50 in Onitsha. This is their phone number. Then the receiver is Kevin in Enugu. You understand? So you can send this across, and you can also update anything. You can change details about the shipments here. So now let's dive into our WordPress admin dashboard and see how we can get this started. So just wait for me. I will take you through on how you can get this started. Thank you guys, and stick to the end of this video. Let's go. So guys, so what you're going to do is just log into your WordPress dashboard. So this is my, as you can see, this is my newly installed WordPress dashboard. You understand? And this WordPress dashboard is still new. Nothing has been done on it. So let me just show you. Let's check the, okay, let me say visit site, opening a new tab. So let me show you the front end. So this is the front end. This is to show you that nothing has been done on this WordPress. So you are going to install new WordPress. You already know if you want to do this type of shipping website. So now the next thing we are going to do is, okay, first of all, let me clear all these things so that our WordPress will be neat. So you don't need to clean this. As you can see, our WordPress dashboard is now clean and clear. So now the next thing we are going to do for us to get that done is we need a plugin, a WordPress plugin that will help us to install the script. Remember, I was the person that made this script from scratch. You understand? So you don't need to start afresh and start building the site by yourself. So you can just do this in less than 10 to 20 minutes. You are done. So we hover to plugins, and the plugin we are going to make use of is a plugin called WP Migrate. WP Migrate will help us to install the software in our WordPress and help us start running it. You understand? So this is our plugin. So you click on add new. Once you click on add, the WP Migrate is free. I think they have a free version of it. Then you write WP Migrate. You allow it to search. Oh, sorry. We type all in one WP Migrate. So you allow it to load. So this is the software we are talking about. This is the plugin, all-in-one WP migration. So you just have to click on install to allow it to install. Once you are done installing, remember this plugin, remember the icon. As you can see, it has 5 million plus active installation. You understand? So you just have to allow it to install. So as you can see, you are done installing the plugin. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on activate. So you click on activate. Now I want to teach. Okay, let's go and refresh our front end. As you can see, nothing has been done. It's still like this. So I want to teach you the rule of this process. Rule number 1 is that once you start installing the software, we don't have to minimize this interface. You don't have to minimize, you don't have to cancel anything, and you don't have to interrupt your network. So you need a strong network, and you don't need to minimize this tab, this browser. You don't need to do anything on your browser. So what I normally do is that before I do such a thing, I first of all I'll play a video. I'll play a movie, like that movie will help me to keep my screen on till the process is done. You understand? You already know how you can do your own, but you don't need your screen light to off. Once your screen light gets off, the process will be terminated. You understand? So that is, just have to take this precaution. And another thing I want to tell you is that this process might take you a lot of minutes. Like it might take a long process to be performed. You understand? So it's not something that it might take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, depending on the strength of your network. You understand? So you just have to exercise patience for it. I am repeating it again. It's not a process that will just load within 1 minute. So even if I fast the video, even if I fast forward the video, just know that it's something that is gonna take a lot of minutes for it to be done. So you just have to make sure you keep your network running. You understand? You don't have to disconnect your network. So now the next thing you are going to do is, let me show you. So this is the software you are going to be installing, but in your own it might come in a zipped file, you understand? So you might get it in a zip file. So what you are going to do is just you right click on it, then click on extract all. So once you extract it, it's going to be like this. Then this is the software you are going to install. This is the script itself. So now let's go back to our WordPress. Okay, first of all, let me play music. Let me play a video. That's a let me look for a movie, and okay, it's made of honor is okay. So I'll have to first, let me release the volume. So I just have to minimize it like this. I'll minimize the video. I'll minimize it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is, so this is my WordPress. So I'll just come and click on that plugin. So once I click on it, I click on import, because we want to import a file. So I click on import. So once I click on import, the next thing I'm going to do is I will click on import from, that is import from file, you understand? So I'll click on import from file. So the next thing I'm going to do is I search for where I saved the file. So this is the file, you understand? So I just click on it. This is a website I did for Fifth Seal, that is a shipping company in Onitsha. So this is it. I click on open. So I will allow it to import. This software will help me to import the file. So I'll just have to exercise patience and wait for the process to be done. As I told you, it's going to take a lot of minutes for it to be processed. So you just have to exercise patience. As you can see, it's just 1%. So you just need to exercise patience till it loads till 100%. You understand? So make sure your own loads till 100%. Please, I'm repeating myself again, it's going to take a lot of minutes. You understand? So you don't expect it to be something that will run faster, because you know the file is large. You understand? So you don't need to interrupt this interface. You understand? You don't need to minimize this interface. You don't need to do any other thing. So you just have to leave your system or your desktop screen this way for it to load. You understand? So thank you guys. So as this thing is processing like this, you can get a chill bottle of Coke and start taking. You can take a chill bottle of Coke and wait for the process to be done. So it seems like I'm gonna fast forward this video. Because of time factor. So let me just fast forward this video and see you when the video is done. So as you can see, it has finished uploading. So once you are done uploading, it will take you to this interface. You understand? So the next thing you're going to do, just remember look at this instruction here. Your backup is from PHP 7, so you just have to make sure that your this thing is up to. But okay, he said your backup is from PHP version 7, but the site that you are importing to is PHP 8. So you just go to your your website and make sure you change your PHP version to version 8. You understand? So what you're going to do is click on this proceed. So once you click on proceed, you allow it to load. So once you reach this interface now, don't click on this finish. Why you will not click on this finish is that you don't know the admin password of this script. You understand? So, and if you use the login details that you prepared when installing the WordPress, it's not going to work. So what you're going to do is click on save palm link structure. So you're going to click on save palm link structure. So you click on save palm link structure. You understand? So it will take you to this login interface. So let's enter this admin details. This is admin. This is the login details that we created when we were. This is the admin login details that we created when we were installing the WordPress. So you just have to copy this one as the password. Then you save. You understand? You say Ctrl V. You understand? Then you now log in. So if you log in, you will discover that it's not going to log you in. So what you're going to do is that you will look for a way to hack this WordPress. You understand? You look for a way to hack this WordPress. You understand? So what you're going to do is that because you don't know the admin password, you're going to go back to your Softaclos app installer where you installed your WordPress. Then you search for WordPress. So when you click on WordPress, so once you click on WordPress, it will show you all the installations you have done in this cPanel. So this is the installation of the website you are working on. This one says shipping.bster.tech/50. So you see that particular installation. This is the installation. So you click on this edit button. So once you click on this edit button, this is the database details, this is the database password. You understand? So you come down here. So once you come down here, you look for this admin username. So you enter. I will make this admin username to be admin. So just make sure you don't have any space. Then the password, let me go and copy this password. I will use this password. So this is my password. So you just have to create a password that you want. So this is my password. You understand? So the sign-in username should be admin. You understand? The sign-in username should be admin. Then so as you can see, it has automatically changed the details. Do you understand? So what you are going to do, just enter the two username as the admin. Don't put any email. You understand? So as you can see, it has automatically logged me in. You understand? So the next thing I'm going to do, let me not save this. Then I will come back to this login interface. Then I will reload. So you really need to reload this interface. You understand? It has automatically logged me in because that password we entered that time was what you understand. So this palm link structure, you just click on. So now this palm link structure, what you're going to do on this palm link structure is you say post name. You click on post name. You understand? Then you come down, it says save changes. That is save changes the first time, then it says save changes the second time, that is save changes twice. Thank you very much. Then the next thing we are going to do here is to go back to our dashboard. You understand? So you go back to your dashboard. In your own dashboard, I guess all these things might be, your dashboard might be in this form. You understand? All these options might show in your dashboard, but once you see all these things, just click on this drop down menu and untick it. So once you untick it, I guess your dashboard is going to be clean and neat. So now, having done all these things, the next thing you are going to do, remember during the installation it told us that our backup PHP version was 7.4, that we really need to upgrade it to version 8. So now you go and upgrade your PHP version to version 8. So upgrading your PHP version, you just have to go to your cPanel and do that. To my cPanel, and I will show you how to upgrade your PHP version. So you just have to search for PHP from here. So this is your PHP version. You click on it, make sure you upgrade it to PHP version 8. Your backup PHP version should be PHP version 8. So you just have to allow it to load. So just exercise patience. So these are PHP version, put it 8. Say apply. Okay, so let's come back. Now, having upgraded your PHP version, remember, for this script to work well, just make sure your server has the required PHP version. You understand? So now let's visit our site. Let's see how our site really looks like now. Awesome. So this is our site, shipping.bster.tech/50. This is our website now. Very awesome. Very awesome and sleek. Very awesome and sleek. This is a website I did for a shipping company in Onitsha, Nigeria. Here, you understand? 50 Global Logistics. You understand? 50 Global Resources. So, having seen this interface, as you can see, this is our home page, this is our about us page. These are about. Let me open our services, open in a new tab, then contact us, open in a new tab, then packages, track package, open in a new tab, then our blog, open in a new tab. Then, so having seen this, our about us page, as you can see, this is our about us page, very sleek and awesome. And as you can see, I use demo content while creating this website. I told you I created this from scratch in WordPress. You understand? So now, nobody did it. I was the person that designed it. So now, this services page, this is our services page. You can also edit this, change all this content from your admin dashboard. Then I will show you how you can do that. Then this is our contact us page. As you can see, you can submit your name, your first name, last name, the subject of the reason why you want to contact, and the message body. Then the next thing is the next thing you are going to do is let's check our track package. So this is where you can track your goods you shipped with this company. You can just enter your tracking number and it will show you the location and the details of the goods. Then this is let's check our blog. This is our blog where you can post the latest news. I will show you how you can get all this done, and all of them are very simple and easy. So let's quickly rush and go back to our admin dashboard. First of all, let's create tracking. So for you to create tracking, you just have to come to this shipment. You click on this shipment icon. So if you click on this shipment icon, then you click on, these are trackings I already created. So you click on this add shipment. So once you click on this add shipment, then it will automatically generate the shipment number for you. So here you have to enter the shipment details, the shipper name. You can say 50, that is the name of the company, that is the shipper. 50 then shipper phone number, can say 090 080 810 472. Then address, I can say Sha. Then email, then this email I can say info at bster, just your webmail, info at bster.tech. Then receivers detail, then here you just have to enter your receivers detail. I can say Kelvin, phone number 090 800 910 473. Then address, I can say Enugu. Then email address Kelvin. You just have to enter the correct detail of your clients at gmail.com. Shipment details. Then from here you have to enter the type of shipment, whether it is by truckload or air freight or international shipping or van. So let's enter van, because shipments from Onitsha to Enugu should be van. Then if it is by air, you can say air freight. If it is international shipping, maybe going outside the country, you can say international shipping. Then you say weight, I can say weight of the, I can say 6 kg. You just enter the correct details of packages. I can say clothes. Then products, I can say shirts. Just enter the correct details. Then payment method, I can say cash on delivery. Carrier, I can say, let me say HDL. Then departure time, just have to enter the departure time 10 a.m. Then destination picking time, just enter the picking time. Then you can enter any comments you want to enter. Then just from here you enter, fill on the details, the courier details. You can say truck. Then mode, I can say land shipping. Quality solid. Then total freight, I can say 2. Courier reference number, just enter any reference number that they can use to. Then origin, I can say just enter any, let me say Chad. Then enter pickup date and delivery time. So from here, now what you are going to do is from here now you come this side, say location, type your location, Enugu. Then remark, you just type, okay, you can say thanks, or write, give the remark. Then status, status should not be pending. Okay, out for delivery should be the status. Then if the product has reached, you can say delivered. If the owner has collected it, you can say delivered. You can now change it to delivered. You understand? So now tags, you can put any tag here. Then you can also add categories. Let's say all categories, or you can create new category. Then now you can come back and click on publish. Then say publish. Awesome. So now let's go to our page, our tracking page, and track this shipment number. You understand? And track this shipment number. As you can see, I customized it. You understand? I'll teach you how you can customize it. As you can see, the prefix is fifth seal, the suffix is fifth seal company, that is FSC. So now let's go to our tracking page. So I come back to my tracking page, I refresh. Then let me track and see the details of the. So I paste my tracking number, I track results. Awesome. This is the shipment we created now. Kelvin Enugu, kelvin@gmail.com. That is the shipper info. Then shipment info is the information of the goods. As you can see, all of them are here. And once the goods move, you can also come back and edit the details. Maybe the goods has reached Oka, can come here and change location. Here is our location. Here is our location. You look for location. Okay, it's quite unfortunate that I can't find my location here, but I guess location is supposed to be somewhere around here. So these are our locations, so you can update it to Oka. Do you understand? So you update. So once you update it, you come here and you come back to your tracking and track again. Then the location will have changed. So this is the receipt, and let me show you how you can change. And as you can see, it generates a QR code. Then this is your receipt. You can also print the invoice from here. You understand? You can print the invoice from here. Sorry, my network. So let's go back. You can print the invoice, and this is just the company logo. So now let me show you how you can start editing all this page. So for example, if let's check our home page. So this is our home page. For example, this is our home page. If you want to really edit this home page, maybe you want to change all this text, let me show you how you can do that. It's very, very simple. So you just have to click on this edit with Elementor. So you allow it to load. So it's gonna take a little bit time to load. So as it is loading, you can come back here. If you want to change that company logo on that receipt, okay, let's just finish with the page editing first. I guess some of you already know how to edit with Elementor, so no need of wasting much of our time here. I just want to show you how you can get your way around this script. For those of you that have not had any idea on how to use Elementor, so for this, when you click on edit with Elementor, you just have to, okay, I can say in Onitsha. If I want to edit this, I can delete this. You understand? I can delete this and change to anything I want in Onitsha, Anambra State. You understand? So likewise, this one you can also edit this one. Then if you want to change it to slider, you understand, for example, let me delete this section. So maybe you don't like this one, you don't like this image section and this hero section, maybe you want to change it to slider. Changing it to slider is very simple. You just have to click on add new section, then add new section, add a single row single column section. Then you come back to this your 9 button here, this your element menu, and search for slider. So this is your slider. Then you just drag and drop here and it will automatically open a slider for you. So now you can edit all these things and all this right up here. You can edit all this right up from here. You understand? You can change the you can add image. So let's just add one image. Let me say add this one. Then let's go to the second slider. So this second slider, let's add another image. Let's say this one. Then let's go to the third slider. This is the third slider. Then you can now add, let's say, these two. So you can add any slider you want. Then after adding the sliders, you can now come back here and edit all this. Click on content, edit all this right up here. You understand? You can see it changes. Just fill up the detail. Then you can now come back and cancel this. You understand? But we don't want to change this to slider, so that is not why we are here. You understand? That is not why we are here. I'm just trying to show you that you can change this to slider. Then when you come, you cancel this. Once you are done with slider, you can cancel this and you have only your slider displaying. You understand? So now let me Control Z to have this back. So I have undo so let me just cancel this because I don't need this slider. But in your own, you can just add the slider to beautify it. So that is how you can edit all these things. And you can also change all these images. If you click here, you select new image, select new image. You can select new image from here. You understand? You can select new image from here. You understand? So you can edit all these things, all this right up. Just put the right up here, type the correct details. So also you can edit all these things. Just anyone you want to edit, click on it and edit it. So now let's go back to our home page because I don't want to edit this. I just want to leave it the way I want. I just did this because of tutorial purpose. So now we are back in our home page and I've shown you how to create tracking and how to track. So now let me show you how you can change this company logo here. So you have, before you do this, just know that you're supposed to have designed your own logo. Then you click on customize. So once you click on customize, you allow it to load. Then you click on site identity. Once you click on site identity, you click on logo, click on choose file, click on, and let me see if I can see a logo that I will use. Let me check if I can see a logo. Okay, let me try this, my 5D bank logo. Then I will upload, then I select, then you crop, just crop to, you can say skip cropping. So once you say skip cropping, so once you update it, this logo will automatically replace this one. Once you click on publish, it will automatically replace this one. So also the five icon is all this icon you are seeing here. You can edit all of them. Then the next thing I want to show you is how, let's go back first. Okay, so now let me click on customize again. So you can also edit this site title, you understand, you can also edit it. Then if you go to your menus, you can create a new menu from here, you understand. Then let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So you click on dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Then I want to show you how to create a blog post, you understand. So what is our blog post? Our blog post is the latest news about the company, you understand. So for example, I want to post a news about this company. So what I'm going to do is I'll just come back to this admin dashboard, then click on this icon here, click on post. So as I click on post, I click on, these are the posts we have, so I click on add new post. So once I click on add new post, what you're going to do is just have to enter the title, then enter the body of the blog, that is the main news, the news about the blog. So for example, let me say if I want to post about this news, so for example, let me just copy this. I'll copy this as the title, then I will come back here, paste it in this add title. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just come back here, copy the main body of the main news itself. Then you can also type in if you want, but as for me, because of time, I'll just have to copy and paste. So I can copy and paste, you understand. I'll copy and paste the news here. Then the next thing you're going to do is, if you want to add something like image or music, you can come here to this add media. Then this add media, you can select any image you want from your media library. Maybe I want to add something, maybe I want to add something of this nature, so I can come here and say insert a post, you understand. Okay, it's not working that way. So the next thing we are going to do is you come back here to this featured image. So you click on this featured, set a featured image. So this set a featured image will help you. So let me add the image again. So I've set the featured image. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'll click on publish. Wow, awesome. So now let's go back to our blog page and see if the news actually popped out. So as you can see, we have not seen the post here. So the next thing you're going to do is to refresh. Awesome. Look at the news we just posted now, you understand. So that is how to create a blog post. Now the last thing I'm going to show you about this wonderful script, this wonderful WordPress script, is, let's go to our tracking page. So this is our tracking page. Let me show you how you can automatically change this particular logo, because this logo here is different from the website logo and the five icon, as the case may be. So this logo is different. So for you to change this one, you just have to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, then you go to this WP cargo. You click on WP cargo. So once you click on WP cargo, you go to settings, go to general settings. So once you go to general setting, here they said upload a logo, you understand. So you just have to click on upload logo, then you can choose any other logo of your choice, you understand. You can choose any other logo of your choice. So once you choose the logo, then you can now say save changes, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, let me just show you. You can click on save changes, then you have automatically changed the logo. You have automatically changed the logo. So these are our tracking number, say track results. As you can see, the logo has reflected here. You understand? So any changes you make on this script, then you just have to automatically reset it back. If you just make any change, just automatically save it. Sorry, you just have to save it. So that is the end of the explanation on how to install the script and how to make use of the shipping script. Now, if you need access to this file, if you want to get access to this file, I'm gonna drop the link below. So you just have to click on the link and make the necessary payments there. So once you make the necessary payment there, it will automatically redirect you to a page or where you can download this particular file. Or if you're having any issues in downloading the script, what you're gonna do is you just have to chat me on WhatsApp. I'll put my WhatsApp link or my WhatsApp phone number below the description. So you can just chat me up on WhatsApp or call me as a normal phone call. Then we can talk. Then even if I have any discount to give you, I will know what to do for you. Then I can send it to you on your WhatsApp, or you can send me your email. I can forward it to you on your email. Then for you to have access to this file, you're just gonna pay the least 30,000 naira. For my students in Nigeria, just gonna pay 30,000 naira. You understand? So that is just it. See you guys in my next tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the notification bell, so at any time I drop an update, you will get an update from me. So the only support you can give me now is by subscribing to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. So thank you guys. See you in my next tutorial.